Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Simplify Your Space. We all love buying new clothes, but it is also important to declutter the unused ones which occupy the precious space in our closet, thereby increasing the clutter. You'll be surprised to know that almost 80% of our clothes are worn only 20% of the time and rest 20% are worn almost 80% of the time, which are mostly our favorites or comfortable ones. Making a decision over what to keep can be the tricky part of decluttering. In today's video, we will see how to declutter our closet in few simple steps. So let's get started. The process can be long and monotonous. Music can keep you entertained. At first, pull all the clothes out from your wardrobe, including seasonal wear and occasional wear which you might have stored in some other closets. You will be shocked to see clothes piling up to become a mountain. Taking out everything ensures that you don't miss anything. You will be surprised to see the clothes you have forgotten about. And at times, finding new clothes from your own closet will definitely bring a smile on your face. Before start decluttering, get 3 empty boxes or bags and label them alter, trash and donate. The keep pile is going to be a big pile, therefore it will stay on the bed. This will help quicken the decluttering process. While decluttering, it is very easy to sort the keep pile. But before any cloth becomes the part of this pile, you need to ask few questions to yourself. Does this still fit me perfectly? Can I move freely into it? Do I have something to wear with it? Does this item make me feel good? Is the fabric comfortable? If you are not able to make decision over what to keep, try wearing them one by one and see if these clothes are giving you any kind of joy and keeping you comfortable. This is sometimes hard to come to terms with, but there is no point having a closet filled with clothes that don't fit you. If you're dealing with short-term weight change such as pregnancy or temporary health issue, you can be a little more lenient. But for the most items that do not fit you, need to go. Many times we hold on to items out of guilt. These can be the items you spend a lot of money on and never wore. Items that were given to you that just were not your style. Or items that you think you should wear but never did, like workout clothes. And some clothes we keep as we are emotionally attached with them, but never wear, like some dress given by your husband, your mom's favorite salwar suit, or your old jeans which does not fit you anymore. Let them go. You definitely don't need them. They're just increasing your clutter. Items such as beautiful saris and lehengas can be converted into a new dress. This is a very nice kurti, but needs some alteration. Once clothes are sorted, then fold them nicely. Keep separate piles for regular wear and occasional wear. Also make a separate holiday box. Clothing you wear only when you are on holidays, like beach wear, shorts, light off-shoulder gowns. Swimwear, snorkeling gear, summer hats, trekking boots can also be sorted along with it. Now once the clothes are sorted according to the category, it is time to organize them in the closet. But only clothes you wear regularly should go in the main closet. Occasional and seasonal wear should be sorted in a separate closet if you have space. Give a nice wipe to shelves and clean them properly. Try to hang tops, shirts and t-shirts and make them visible. Fold other clothes nicely in file system and use baskets to organize them properly. Keep things visible so that items don't go unnoticed. Traditional wear should go either in hangers with covers to protect them from dust or in sari bags nicely folded. Store them nicely in a separate closet along with the holiday box. And that's it, our closet now looks much cleaner and more spacious. Occasional decluttering makes the space look beautiful and breathable. An idea to declutter few clothes before you put any new clothes in your closet helps. This will ensure that your closet is never filled with unwanted and unfit clothes, and you will never feel guilty of having too much but not wearing them. Get the alteration pile fixed as soon as possible and get rid of trash and donation pile at the earliest so that no junk is kept unnecessarily and taking space in your house. The end result for me is a closet which is not so full that I can't see what I have to. Post decluttering, I may have less items, but I actually wear more of them now. Decluttering increases the usability of unused clothes and can help somebody who is more needy. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for many more organizing videos. I'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.